How to remove background in Photoshop. Now first of all I'll open the Photoshop, and here this is the image I want the background to be removed. Now there are multiple methods. The method which I'll use is by quick selection method. I'll select here and I'll basically select my subject here, and I'll just scroll down a little bit. Make sure that your cutting is almost perfect. Cutting means the edges, so that it won't look fake. So I'll just zoom in and I'll select the parts here. So yeah, selection has been done. What I'll do is I'll right click this and select layer via cut. So you can see that this has been cut here. What I'll do is I'll basically unlock this background file. It has been unlocked. Now I'll basically select this. I will delete this layer by selecting delete. So this is how you can remove the background in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.